Hello students, welcome back to your maths class. Today we are going to start chapter 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals. First definition of it is plane curve. A curve which can be drawn without lifting the pencil is called a plane curve. Let us see some examples. These are the examples of plane curves. The next is simple curve. A simple curve is one that doesn't cross itself. Examples: a circle. This is open curve. They are not crossing them. Now we will take the example which is not a simple. So this one is the figure which is not simple because it is crossing itself. Next is polygon. A simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. Polygons can be classified with the number of sides or vertices. Let us take some examples. A polygon having 3 sides is called a triangle, 4 sides quadrilateral, 9 sides nonagon, 10 sides decagon, and so on, and n sides if it is having, it is called n-gon. Next is the definition of diagonals. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Now non-consecutive means which are not nearby. So this is example of a rectangle. So we will draw the diagonals of it by joining the non-consecutive vertices. See, this one is the first diagonal. Now we will show you the second diagonal also same way. So this is the second diagonal. Now this figure, in it one of the diagonal will be inside and one will be outside. So see, this one is the diagonal which is lying outside and this one is the which is lying inside. Now note that in a polygon of n sides, the number of diagonals are n into n minus 3 upon 2. You can find out the number of diagonals of any polygon having n sides using this formula. Now the next is convex polygon. A polygon in which all the diagonals are inside the polygon are called convex polygon. Let us take the example of parallelogram. Next is pentagon, then octagon. These are convex polygons in which all the diagonals will lie inside the polygon. Next is concave polygon. A polygon in which at least one of the diagonal is outside the polygon is called concave polygon. Means at least one of the diagonal should be outside it. So let us see the examples of it. This one is the first example. You can draw a diagonal outside it very easily. Then this one is also a concave polygon. Here you can also draw one of the diagonal outside it. So these are the examples. Next is the regular polygon. A polygon in which the length of all sides is equal and all the interior angles are equal is called a regular polygon. Examples are square, equilateral triangle. In square all the angles are of 90 degree and each sides are equal. Then take example of regular pentagon. In it all the sides are equal and each angle is of 108 degree. Then comes regular hexagon. In it all the angles will be of 120 degree and each side will be equal. Then comes the next irregular polygon. A polygon which is not regular is called irregular polygon. The examples are rectangle and isosceles triangle. Thank you so much.